In this video, I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off this device. So to turn on Jabra Talk 5, you have to use this button. It's located right here, and you have to click and hold it in this place until this indicator right here turns blue. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it. And right now you can release when it blinks for a few times, and also it will make the notification sound. To power off this device, just do the same. Click and hold it for a while. It will also blink quickly like that, and you will also hear this notification sound. To be sure that this device is turned off, just click once right here. When this indicator is not up, it means that the device is turned off. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.